Hey, what's up you guys? It's Lily. Welcome back to I'm Gonna Get Ready for Work, featuring me going to the steakhouse. I got a little discouraged because I realized that no one is watching these videos and that I'm spending an hour making them and then 2 hours editing them for no reason. But it's fine because practice makes progress. Not perfect. Nobody just automatically starts off perfect and amazing, but be recreating an old look that I did. I will be inserting it here. Sometimes I like to scroll through my Instagram and see old things that I did and see, what's changed. And sometimes I look at things that I did in the past and I'm like, how did I even do that, I'm then gonna set them just using a similar eyeshadow shade. We're now gonna outline and conceal the brows. Using a Morphe E30, I'm going to set the base with the white. To begin the cut crease, we're going to go in with, I believe I used this blue, and we're just going to go in the crease, blend it out a little bit, and then we're going to be concealing that shape. Using these two items again, we're going to conceal. Using these two items again, we're going to go ahead and conceal that cut crease. I want to implement a little bit of chunky glitter in this one today, so I'm just going to do a little bit of lash glue and then some of this white chunk from ColourPop. I then went out and shaded the lower lash line into like an eyeliner, so I'm just going to go ahead with the same brush that I used to do the eyebrows and then the same blue and create another wing effect. Now I'm going to do my lashes. Now we're going to run through the face makeup and then we'll finish off the eyes afterwards with some rhinestones. Spraying the face with Mario Badescu. Under the eyes with the same blue. Using Duo Lash Glue, this nail makeup sparkly tool thing, and then just some crystals that I probably got off Amazon or Wish or something. I'm gonna do 3 right here, 1 right here, and then just some right here. For lips, I believe this is ColourPop. It's called Dreamy. So this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.